Hi, I'm Sarah, and today we're going to code a web app in minutes using ArcGIS Tutorials. So ArcGIS Tutorials has examples using lots of different programming languages. We're building a web app, so we're going to stick with JavaScript. And what I want to do is add layers to a map. So I want to add the OS Open Green Spaces layer. Here I can see an example using some example layers. I can see the instructions and the code that we need to get started. So what I'm doing here is just following the instructions, and I'm adding the feature layer to the require statement. I'm now adding it into the function. All I'm going to do is copy and paste from the tutorial, which is referencing the sample feature service. I'm going to hit run, just make sure that's working so I can see the trailheads. Now what I'm going to do is make this more relevant to OS. I'm just going to rename a few of these things. And I'm going to change the URL to the one you can find in the Living Atlas. I'm going to hit run. Okay, so we're not going to see anything just right now because currently we're in California. So we need to change a longitude and latitude. So I'm going to change this to London. I'm going to hit run again. Open on London and we can see the OS green spaces. The next thing I want to do is add a search widget. So I'm just finding the tutorial that will allow me to do this. I'm going to combine this with the code I already have. I've added the search widget now to my require and added it into the function. I'm now just pasting in that example script from the tutorial. I'm going to hit run. And now I've got a search widget. So I'm going to type in Manchester, and there we go, an app in minutes.